Welcome to Xavier Law Essence, where we give you premium legal tips to help you make informed decisions, live informed life, and discover the best version of yourself. Who no go, no. And when you know, you have confidence. You build confidence. You know what you want. You know how to go for what you want. So yesterday I was talking about family law, the areas that family law covers. Issues relating to divorce, how it can be so emotional, and that when you witness in court the point where lovers now become enemies. They are now out there to battle their needs out. But today I want to talk about the role of mediation in matrimonial causes. Let's get right to it. Now, as a lawyer and a PhD student, I will tell you for free, because I know that it is in Xavier that you will get the law tips free. I give it to you. I don't hold it back, because I know what it is costing me to find my way back to track. And I know that there are a lot of women in the same ship. Okay, so if you're lucky to come across my page and you are in this kind of shape, you are welcome. You may also not be a lawyer. You may be in a different field altogether. I want to tell you that there is no knowledge, no information that is a waste. It depends on how you choose to apply it. Okay, let's get right into today's discussion. So I want to talk about the role of mediation in matrimonial causes. Now, people talk about alternative dispute resolution. What they mean is I don't want to go to court. I don't want to go through litigation. It is expensive. It is too long. It is too rigorous. It creates enmity. It creates conflict between disputing parties. I want to choose alternative, which can either be conciliation, mediation, negotiation, arbitration. But today I want to talk about mediation in matrimonial causes. Now, mind you, the court is not in a hurry to hear and determine matrimonial causes when they are presented before the court. Because when you go to look into a Matrimonial Causes Act, you will see that the court wants you to let them know that you have tried to reconcile, but the reconciliatory process failed. It is a condition that you must fulfill, because if you fail to comply with that, it can truncate or stall your process of divorce proceedings. So Xavier Law Essence is telling you that mediation, conciliation, negotiation, they have very vital role when it comes to divorce proceedings, because the court is not in a hurry to tear down what it built. It is very easy to destroy things, but when you want to build, it takes longer. The court understands what is involved in building a home, what is involved in living the married life. So when you rush to the court that you are tired, you want out, you don't want to be part of it again, the court is very mindful. It's not in a hurry. It will look through the documents that you have filed, because the court is a court of record. It will look through to see whether you complied, whether you have made attempts at reconciliation. Then it is where that reconciliation process has now failed. You can now tell the court that, look, I know that in reality people are in a hurry to file this paper in the court. They will just, is a requirement, we'll just tell the court that yes, we have done it. But in reality, how many persons actually engage in this part of the provision of a Matrimonial Causes Act to see how they can persuade the mind, how they can weigh in on the minds and the thought, the desire, the decision of the people to go their separate ways. Now, while mediation is more of neutrality, a neutral third party who is going to mediate to see how they can foster healthy communication between the two disputing party, which the law calls the petitioner and the respondent. This one, he is not part of it. He is just trying to be a middle person. He does not meddle. He will not suggest to you, but what? Let us see how we can come together and see. And that is also where negotiation comes in. They are all interrelated, because negotiation is not about talking and discussion. Mediation sees how it can create a convenient environment so that the parties can negotiate their needs and their interests. Okay? Now, the Matrimonial Causes Act talks about conciliation. But the difference between a conciliator and a mediator is the fact that while mediator is more of neutrality, the conciliator takes active part in the process of what the mediation or what conciliation. But I just want you to have it in mind that the court is not in a hurry to destroy or to dissolve any marriage. But when you have not complied with all the necessary requirements that the law expects you to bring before the court, then the court can now say, okay, it has broken down. We cannot repair it. And then they liken the marriage to an eggshell. It is broken, we can mend it. We can retrieve it. There is no way you want to patch it that it can. Because that is number one ground that you must establish before the court. That look, court, you see this marriage, it has broken like an egg. It is shattered. The shells cannot be put together. Where do you want to start? Are you scooping the yolk? Or you're scooping the whites? Or you want to mend the shells together? It can never be the same. That is one thing that the court is telling you, come and prove it to me, that this marriage has broken down irretrievably. We have tried reconciliation. It is not working. This is Xivia Law Essence. This is where we give you premium legal tips to help you make informed decisions, live informed life, and discover the very best version of yourself. We'll see you again. Bye.